everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm going to talk about the benefits of multimedia in 21st century information and communication technology, or ICT. In today's digital world, learning and communication are no longer limited to books and chalkboards. Multimedia plays a big role in how we study, work, and connect with others. First benefits, makes learning more engaging. Multimedia combines text, images, videos, audio, and animation. Because of this, lessons become more interesting and interactive. Students can understand topics better when they can see visual examples or watch educational videos instead of just reading long text. Second benefits, improves understanding and retention. People learn in different ways. Some learn by reading, others by listening or watching. Multimedia supports different learning styles, which helps students remember information longer and understand lessons more clearly. Third benefits, enhances communication in the 21st century. Communication is faster and more effective because of multimedia through presentation. Videos, social media, and video calls, people can share ideas clearly, creatively, and instantly, no matter where they are in the world. For benefits, develops creativity and digital using multimedia tools allows students and professionals to express their idea creatively. It also helps develop important ICT skills like video editing, graphic design, and digital presentation skills, which are very useful in modern careers. In conclusion, multimedia is a powerful part of 21st century ICT. It makes learning more engaging, improves understanding, strengthens communication, and prepares us for technology-driven future. That's why multimedia is not just an option today, it's necessary. That's all to my vlog. Goodbye. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like
And share.
and share.
Chippy, chippy,